All right, so my cut line is right here from the end on the reference side. So I brought my big L up my knife line. I am knifing this, and that's how much I got to take off. And that is just about the gap I had on the back on one of the tenons. This is quite a bit of wood, and more that I care to try and pair with the chisel. So I'm going to get a skill saw and make this cut with a skill saw in the next video. I've darkened this line with the pencil. Not sure if you can see it on video or not. I've got my skill saw. I'm going to saw it like this on the waist side of the line, leaving the line in the knife cut as best I can, so I don't cut away too much. That went pretty good. I can still see my knife line, but I'm very close to it. Now I compare to the line with my chisel. It's very close. And turn the piece around, try to put it together again.